Hello children! In our previous video, we have completed the poem Bobo Goes Shopping, isn't it? Today in this video, we are going to learn Unit 4 Prose, The Little Egg. Yes children, Unit 4 Prose, The Little Egg. So in this video, in this chapter, we are going to learn about a little egg, the journey of a little egg from an egg to a chick. Okay, from a little egg till it becomes a chick. Understood? Okay, let's start the story. So let's start the story. A little egg is in its nest. Okay children, in the beginning of the story, the little egg is in its nest. Pick. After that, a sound comes, pick. Okay, then we can see one crack in the little egg. Okay, a crack comes in the little egg. After that, peck. A small portion of the egg's cover breaks. You can see in the picture also, and it gives the sound peck, and the egg starts moving. Okay, then pock. The egg which was in its nest starts rolling down from its nest. Okay, see, you can see first it was in its nest. After that, a cracks come. After that, the cover of the egg starts breaking, and after that, see, it rolls down from its nest. After that, what happens? Let's see. The little egg rolls down the straw. Straw means the dry stems of plants like wheat. Okay, and out of the barn. Barn, children, a building in the farm where we keep animals. Okay, that means the nest was inside the barn. Okay, so what happens to the little egg? This little egg, first he rolls down from the nest. After that, it rolls down from the barn. You can see the picture, it is rolling down, no? And it comes near an animal with the sound pick, and again goes near the other animal and gives the sound peck, and again it comes near another animal with the sound pock. Pick, peck, pock. Got it, no children? See, we have seen the journey from its nest till this animal. Okay, now let's go to the next slide to see the further story. So let's see. The little egg rolls down the hill and into the woods. Okay, so after rolling down from the barn, it rolls down the hill, and after that it enters into the woods. Woods means, children, a place with lots of trees. Okay, and with the sound pick, it comes near an animal. So this animal is trying to eat it, but it could not. Why am I saying this? Because you can see this expression. Yes, see, this egg is coming out of its mouth with the sound peck, and after that it again starts rolling down with the sound pock, and after that what happens? Let's see. The little egg rolls down a hole. Okay, after that this little egg rolls down a hole. You can see this egg is near this rabbit's hole, no? You can see in the picture how this rabbit is watching this egg. Yes. After that, what happens? Let's see the next picture. Yes. When the little egg was rolling down a hole, maybe the rabbit were thinking that it will enter into its what? Hole. So what happens? These rabbits pushed the egg so hard that it shoots out into the night. Yes children, you can see in the picture, these 4 rabbits, what did they do? They pushed the egg so hard that it went into the night. And while this was going on, you can see the owl was watching all this. Okay, after that what happens with the egg? Let's see. Okay, after coming from the rabbits, what happens? The little egg hops across a field. Okay, you can see in the picture, hops means to jump. This egg is jumping across a field and the owl is watching this egg and flies up into the sky. Flies up into the sky. Can the egg fly? No. Okay, you can see in the picture. See, the owl has picked up the egg in its claws. Okay, and it is flying in the sky. Crack, crack, crack. Okay, children. Yes, this burn, children. This burn is the place where this egg used to stay in its nest. Okay, from this burn only, this egg was rolling down and down. So, while this owl was flying into the sky, it came across the what? It came across the burn. So, what happened? The sound comes crack, crack, crack. That means what happens? Yes, this egg fell down from the claws of the owl and it came on the ground. Not ground, but on this animal. You can see the picture. Yes, this animal is lying down and this egg falls down from the claws of the owl with the sound crack, crack, crack. Means the chick is going to come out. The cover is breaking. The cover is cracking. Okay, you can see the next picture. See, a little chick is in its nest. Yes, after cracking sound comes, the cover cracks and from inside the egg, what comes out? A little chick. You can see this chick is so happy. Yes, a little chick is in its nest and at last you can see this little chick is with her mother. Okay, with its mother in the nest, in their nest, and they makes the sound chip, chip, chip. Yes, children, see, in this story we have seen the journey, isn't it? In the beginning, it was in the nest, and at the end of the story, it again came in its nest. Understood, no, children? Okay, let's go to the next slide. So, see, children, I have given the word meanings. You have to learn, okay? Yes. Number 1, straw. The dry stems of plants like wheat. You can see, I have told you, na? See, the dry stems of plants like wheat. Okay. Number 2, barn. A large building on a farm where you keep animals. Yes, children, see, it is called barn. Okay, here people used to keep their animals. Okay. Yes. Now number 3, the woods. An area of land with lots of trees. Yes, this is called woods. An area of land with lots of trees. Okay, so you all try to learn this word meanings. Okay, so children, this much for today. We shall again meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.